Good morning, everyone. So, our topic for today is a peep into the past. Week 1, enrichment sheet 1, theme 5. A peep into the past. Early humans lived a long time ago. Early humans lived a long time ago. They did not look like us. They could not talk as we do. Early humans did not make houses to live in. They lived in forests. They slept in caves and on trees. They went from place to place in search of food. They ate raw meat, wild fruits, and roots. They used leaves and animal skin to cover their bodies. This protected them from the cold and rain. Early humans lived a long time ago. They did not look like us. They could not talk as we do. Early humans did not make houses to live. They lived in the forest, slept in the caves and on trees. They went from place to place in search of food. They ate raw meat, wild fruits, and roots. They used leaves and animal skins to cover their bodies. This protected them from cold and rain. So, this is about a peep into the past. So, we are talking about early humans, how the early human was there, what is his lifestyle. So, early humans lived a long time ago, ma. Long time means long time when life started on the earth. So, at that time, long time. So, they are the first human beings on the earth, and they were not like us. Now, we are called as modern human beings or modern man, but they do not look like us. They could not even talk or do whatever we are doing. They don't have language. They are not able to talk. They only make sounds and signals. And if they want to communicate, they used to communicate only by painting. So they did not look like us. They did not talk like us. No communication means no talking was there. Language was not there. Only the thing is they can express their feelings and thoughts by paintings. That's all. So it was the lifestyle of early man. Yes, he used to move from one place to the other in search of food, and he used to kill the animals. Okay, he used to kill the animals and eat the raw meat. He did not make houses like us. He don't have houses, buildings, bungalows, apartments, villas. He used to live in forest and slept in caves and on trees. So his lifestyle completely was in forest only, jungle area. And whenever he want to sleep or he want to protect from rain or cold, he used to sleep in caves and on trees, because trees will have more branches, no? So on trees he used to, early man used to sleep in caves and on trees under the shades of the trees. Their complete lifestyle was different from us. So they went from one place to the other in search of food. So they used to not sit or not stay at one place. They used to move from one place to the other in search of food. They ate raw meat, wild fruits, and roots. Raw meat. Raw meat means directly killing the animal and eating the flesh of the animal. You can see here the elephant, how they are killing the elephant and they are eating the flesh of the elephant. See, direct raw meat they are eating. And the skin of the elephant or the skin of the animals are used to cover their body. How the top fellow, how he is taking the skin, see, removing the skin of the animal. So they went from one place to the other in search of food. They ate raw meat, wild fruits, and roots, even roots of plants and trees. Okay, next. And they cover their body with leaves and animal skin. Covered their body with leaves and animal skin to protect from cold and rain. They covered their body with leaves and animal skin to cover their bodies. This protected them from cold and rain. So leaves, they used to tie the leaves, or whatever the animal, if they have killed, no. So remove that skin of the animal, make it dry, and cover their bodies. So this protected them from cold and rain. So this was the lifestyle of early man. Only short topic. Early humans lived long time ago. They do not look like us. They could not talk like us because they don't have language. Only the thing they used to express their feelings with paintings, paintings on the caves. And they don't have houses also like us. They lived in the forest under big big trees, and slept in caves and on trees itself. And their food was very different, because they used to move from one place to the other in search of food. So wherever they will get food, there they stay for that particular period, kill the animal, eat that food, and move from there again. So they ate raw meat, wild fruits, and roots of the animal. They covered their body with leaves and animal skin. This protected them from cold and rain. So this was the lifestyle of early man.